Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you inside a brand new move-in ready pool home sitting on a freshwater canal here in Cape Coral, Florida. This one has 3 bedrooms, a den, 3 bathrooms, 0 corner sliders, and an awesome outdoor living space. So let me not take too much time and let's start this tour. Okay, the location of this home is in the southwest of Cape Coral. So a lot of you guys like to know which area I am in Cape Coral. As you can see, you have a beautiful driveway, 3-car garage, amazing landscape, nice tile roof, and picture perfect weather. You can make this up. Look at this beautiful weather. The blue skies that you're seeing is not enhanced. That's the color of the sky we're having today. So temperatures around 75 degrees and really nice. We haven't seen rain all the month of December, and now in January we haven't seen any rain either, so we're doing pretty good. And very nice temperature. We have had a lot of 50s, maybe one day we had 40s, but basically stays between 75 and 78. So as we come in, we look at this beautiful, humongous room. Check this out. This is the living room, and it's huge. Check out the high ceilings. Now let me show you the chandelier over here, right at the entrance. And back at the end, you see your dining room. You get your kitchen there. And now to the right here, we have the den. Okay. Let's take a closer look at the den. As you can see, very bright with a nice big window. And check out the sky outside. It's just beautiful. Okay, let's turn around over here so you can visualize the size of the room. Now let's take one more look at this humongous living room. Check it out, and check out the sliders. Like I said at the beginning, it's an open corner. Here's the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen is a pretty good size. The thing is, the size of that room that we were in is so big that makes the kitchen look smaller. But first I'm going to take you now to the laundry room, and then we'll go to the garage, and then I'll come back to the kitchen. Here's your laundry room. You got a nice sink. Here's the hookup for your washer and dryer. And then the other side, you have a humongous closet that you could use it as a pantry. Okay, let's open it up here so you can see. For some reason, there's no shelves in none of the closets, so I don't know if it's the builders gonna put them on, or they're selling it like that for you to install your own closet. So if you're interested in this house, let me know, and I could ask the seller's listing agents to let me know what's the deal with the closets. Okay, so check out this beautiful 3-car garage. You have your AC up on the top here, outside the home, so you don't have that noise inside the house. And you also have a door that leads to the backyard from there, from the garage. That's really good, so you could actually take out your trash and put it right there. I'll show you the other side when we go outside. And another look at here at the sink. Now let's take a closer look here at the kitchen. There's your dishwasher. Now you have this amazing, beautiful sink here. Check it out. The top is quartz. Over here will be the space for your dining room. So when you're in the sink, you have access to the whole house. You're right in the middle. So that's really open. Over here you got more cabinets, and you could put your coffee station there. Let me move over here so you can see this waterfall quartz island, and the detail they did on the front was rustic bricks. Now let's take a closer look. Here at the vent. And your stove. And check out the background. How nice. And on this side you got the door for your trash on the bottom. You pull that out and it's a big drawer. Here's your dishwasher again and your double oven with cabinets on the top. So as you can see, the kitchen has plenty of space, plenty of cabinet space, and countertops, lots of countertop space. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this room over here. Let's call it room number 1. Face towards the back of the house. Okay, let me move around here so you visualize the size. You're probably wondering what that door is. That door leads to the bathroom. It has its own bathroom that shares it with a pool bath. Check over here the size of the room. Nice size. And now we're gonna take a closer look at the bathroom. That door leads out to the pool. And check out the nice shower with tile all the way to the roof, to the ceiling. And over here you got your vanity. If you see, the quartz is the same all throughout the house, so they kind of did good design that they kept everything the same. Here's the guest bathroom. And you can also see the nice shower here with the glass doors. And tile all the way to the ceiling. And what I like is this insert shelves. That's very nice. And also matches with the floor. If you're probably wondering how much this home is worth, feel free to scan the barcode on the screen or go on the description below, and there will be a link that you click on it and it'll take you to the full report of this property. So feel free to do that if you would like to know the price and the status. The reason why I do it like that is because when I put the video, the home might be taking probably 4 or 5 months or 6 months to sell, and prices may vary. Now most likely they're going down, but sometimes it goes up and down. So I want the people to, when they're looking at the video, to know what the price is at the time that they're watching the video. So that's why I do it like that. Over here is your dining room. Check it out, very nice and spacious. Check out the sliders that I was telling you about with the corner open, and check out that outside area here. Okay, we're gonna get back to it, go outside, and I'll show you the outdoor kitchen and the pool area just in a bit. Okay, check out the master bedroom. As you can see, it's a huge room too. It's pretty big size. I don't know if you notice also, the home is tile all throughout with the same tile. It all has impact windows all throughout, so it's very good for your insurance. And it's also in flood zone X. That's also good for your insurance. So this is the view that you have from your bedroom here. We'll go outside shortly. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at the closets and the master bathroom. Okay, let's turn over here to the right, and this is closet number 1. As I told you before, there's no shelves, but I'll try to move the camera so you can visualize the size. It's kind of hard because this is white. But now let's take a look at closet number 2. This one seems a little bigger because it has a little more depth to the left side. Okay. Now let's go ahead and take a look into the master bathroom. You're welcome with this beautiful tub, and I really like this bathroom. I like it's kind of like simple and elegant. Okay, check out the nice quartz top like all the other vanities in this home, with a nice sink. And then on the other side you have the oversized vanity with the nice area where you could actually put a chair, and you could actually use this as a makeup station. Let's take another look now at the tub. Very nice tub. Check out that nice faucet there for the tub, and the background tile there. It's really nice too. Everything matches very nice in this home. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this shower. Check out the nice windows. It brings a lot of light inside. Sometimes you have these showers and they don't have that much window, and it gets kind of dark, and you depend on all the light from the house. But this one, you have plenty of light coming from outside. And you got your two valves here, two shower heads, and your rain pan all the way on the top. So it's one of those walk-through showers. You could come in from one side and leave out the other side. I also like that shelf they put there. Very nice. Okay, now let's take a look over here to the toilet closet. And it has a window. A lot of builders don't put the window there, but a lot of people that watch the videos, they always like the window there. Most of the homes that I sold, they tell me that I would like this home better than the other one because they have the window in the bathroom. So if you're a builder, don't forget to put a window in the toilet closets in the master bedroom. Okay, so now we're gonna go outside and take a look at this beautiful area out here. This is where most of the time in Florida, if you're living here in Florida, where you're going to spend your time. So you might have a really good area here. So this house offers that. Plenty of space to put a lot of furniture, chairs, tables. And over here to my left, you have your outdoor kitchen. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. And check out the design that everything matches. You know, the kitchen itself matches with the back wall, with the ceiling. It's really cool. So you have a refrigerator, you have your barbecue, you have a sink. That's granite there. And check out what we're saying. You got the same style all throughout the ceiling, and I mean, it makes it look really nice. I hope the video is doing justice. And check out all the space that you have here. So if you like gathering with your family, or just like to be in a spacious place, this pool area here offers all that. Check out all the space that you have here and all the space you have on the other side. And the pool, it's just beautiful. Very long. You have this beautiful area here where you can put chairs and you sit down on the water here. You got a couple sprayers here. You can see one right there coming out of the bottom there. This is a big area. A lot of people, what they do, they put those half chairs, they sit there and they just relax there. Okay, now you got to take your 3 steps down, and you got the whole pool over here. And then you got on that corner over there, you got a couple benches there. And check out all the extra space you have on this side, with a view of the freshwater canal behind you. Okay, the freshwater canal, if you like kayaking, it's beautiful. It's really good. You actually get to see a lot of nature when you go kayaking in the freshwater canals. This door here leads to the pool bath that I showed you before. And now I'm going to stand over here in this corner so you can visualize all the space that you have on this side too. Here you can actually put some chairs so you can get some sun. Plenty of space here. You can put a nice outdoor table you know, whatever your ping pong table. I've seen ping pong tables out here, and now they got these new pool tables that are for the weather outside. They're awesome. If you like to play pool, that would be a good place for a pool table here. It's an all-weather pool table. Okay, now we're gonna go outside and take a look at this freshwater canal. But first, I want to show you the pool equipment. Here's the pool equipment. He has a concrete slab, big, because probably if you, in case you want to put your pool heater, you put one right there. Also, you have another concrete slab over here where you have right coming out of the garage door, so where you throw your trash cans. Go ahead and take a look at this beautiful freshwater canal. It's actually wider than usual. Most of the canals, the freshwater, maybe they're not that wide, so here you got a pretty nice view. And the water today is clear. Check out how nice and clear the water is. Let's see if we see some fish. Let's take a look. No fish today. Maybe the water's too cold. They're maybe going deeper. I would like to take this time to thank the seller's listing agent, Leslie Dukin from Milof Albushan Realty Group, for letting me show this beautiful home. Also, if you have any questions on this home or any home out there, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. My wife and I have been selling real estate here in Southwest Florida, Cape Coral, Fort Myers for over 25 years. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.